Hi, my name is Jennifer Davis Tebow. I'm a registered dietitian and the founder of Gold Nutrition. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you about how to set SMART goals in order to improve your health and wellness. So let's get started. So you may have heard of SMART goals before, but I'm guessing that if you clicked on this video, you would like to know a little more. So the acronym SMART stands for S, specific, M, measurable, A, achievable, or I also like to say actionable, and I'll tell you a little bit more about that soon. R is for relevant, and T is for time-based. SMART goals are designed to give us a specific action step that we can take to help us to get to our desired outcome. They're designed in a way that helps to propel us forward, and that's why I love them so much. I want to note that SMART goals really do work best when they're incorporated into a full action plan. You can stay tuned for a video that will be coming on the full process, so you might want to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss that notification. But in the meantime, I wanted to make a video all about SMART goals because you need a foundational understanding, and also it is a simple action that you can take today. So let's break it down. A lot of my clients come to me with the hope of improving their health or wanting to feel better. And, when I ask them what they want to achieve, a common statement is, I want to eat better. Well, is this a SMART goal? No, it's not. First of all, it's not very specific. What is it that we're going to do? How can it be defined? It doesn't really tell us much. And a statement like this might leave you feeling a little bit lost. You don't know what to do. You don't know where to turn. So a common thing that will come up as I do my education with my clients is that they will self-determine that they aren't eating a balanced diet. They aren't having all the food groups often enough. They're not having a balanced plate, or they're under eating a certain food group. And so often they would like to set a goal surrounding this. So perhaps now the statement becomes, I want to eat more vegetables. Is this a SMART goal? No, no, it's not. But we have gotten a little bit more specific. We now know at least the what of what we're talking about. We're talking about eating vegetables. So we're getting there. One reason that this goal isn't a SMART goal is it's not measurable. How do we measure more? So now the statement changes to, I would like to eat 3 servings of vegetables a day. Can we measure that? Yes, we can. We can measure 3 servings of vegetables a day. So we'll move to the next letter in the acronym. Achievable. Is this goal achievable? That's going to be highly dependent on the person creating the goal. But let's say at baseline, the person making this goal only eats vegetables once in a while, or they eat them 1 time a day. They start thinking about having to have 3 servings of vegetables a day, and suddenly they're really overwhelmed. They're getting anxious. They don't know that they can do this. Then this isn't the best SMART goal for them. So now let's revise the goal. The new goal becomes, I will eat 2 servings of vegetables a day, 2 times a week. Is this achievable? Again, highly dependent on the person creating the goal. There's really no right or wrong answers here. The whole point is that we're trying to create a goal that works for you in this moment in time. But let's say the person creating the goal says, yeah, I can do that. I can eat 2 servings of vegetables a day, 2 times a week. That works for me. Now the goal is achievable. But I also said that I like to refer to the A in the SMART acronym as actionable, and I just want to explain what I mean by that. The reason I like to say that A stands for actionable is when we're creating our goals, we need them to be action-based because it needs to be something that we can do that helps make it more specific and definable and measurable. So, for instance, go back to the original statement. I want to be healthier. There's no action there. There's nothing that we can set out to do and measure doing. And the problem with that is that really what we're doing is describing an outcome that may or may not come dependent on our actions. We need our goal to be action-based so that we can make a statement about something that we're going to set out to do and measure doing it. You know, we need a specific action, a measurable action. You get the idea. A realistic, relevant action. When we do this, when we create an action statement and do that action and achieve doing the action, we build what's called self-efficacy. Self-efficacy describes a feeling of believing that you can achieve something. It's like self-confidence, but a little bit different. SMART goals are designed to help us build our self-efficacy because the more self-efficacy that we build up, the more likely we are to keep building on our goals and moving forward. And the whole idea is to keep moving forward until we get to our desired outcome. So now let's re-examine our goal. Is it relevant? Well, again, this is highly dependent on the person, but this person says that they want to eat better or feel better or be healthier. And we know that the research suggests that the more vegetables, fruits and vegetables that we eat, the better we do, the longer, happier lives we lead. So yes, it is relevant to what they are hoping to achieve. The idea of relevance will become much clearer when I talk more about developing a wellness vision and the whole entire process. And I did do a previous video about how to make a wellness vision board. And if you'd like to check that out, it'll be linked in the description below. Okay, now we've come to T, time-based. Is our goal time-based? Yes, it is. We're saying that we're going to have 2 servings of vegetables twice a week. Now, this style of a goal is what I like to think of as a monthly goal. For instance, say it's April. We're saying in the month of April, we're going to eat 2 servings of vegetables twice a week. This doesn't mean that for the entire month of April, this goal has to stay the same. In fact, checking in on our goals and deciding if we're going to continue them or step them back or step them forward, that's an important part of the process. If you're going to set this as a weekly goal, a goal that we're doing within our week, we can be even more specific. For instance, we could say, I'm going to eat 2 servings of vegetables on Monday and Wednesday. Now we've got a very specific action plan that we can put right into our calendar. We can track it and we can measure it. If you want to be even more specific, you could say, I'm going to eat 2 servings of vegetables at dinner time on Monday and Wednesday. And please understand, these are just examples. I'm not suggesting that this is what anyone needs to do or should be doing. I'm just trying to give a clearer idea of how you can create a SMART goal. And you can create these SMART goals for any area of your wellness, not just eating. And actually, you can create SMART goals in any area of your life. I hope you now have a clearer understanding of how to set a SMART goal. Just to remind you, S stands for specific, M stands for measurable, A stands for achievable or actionable. R stands for relevant, and T stands for time-based. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it. And also, please subscribe for more content about nutrition, goal setting, and planning. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.